Do you know this fruit? Or better yet, do you know this plant? Yes, it's watermelon. It's the watermelon vine. Did you know this is how watermelon is grown? Did you know 92% of watermelon is water? Yes, it's packed with vitamins and lots of vitamins and minerals. Vitamins A, B, C, along with minerals, lots of minerals, including lycopene, that is great antioxidant. Did you know watermelon is great for your skin? Yes, its vitamins A and C component adds great nutrients to your skin and to repair skin cells and to create healthy skin. Be sure to chew the seeds. Don't spit them out. Did you know this about watermelon? Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and follow us on all our social media platforms.